Hey guys, welcome to Fisher. We are at a return trip to, where are we headed? Speaks Clam Bar in Sarasota. We are coming back, we couldn't resist, we had to come back again. And I forgot how they do their menus. We look at, a newspaper here, but it's not a newspaper. Here's the menu. Pretty extensive menu for a clam bar. And then we have the daily catch. I think that looks pretty intensive. We're gonna munch a little bit on the fresh garlic, big delicious soft cloves, and fresh baked bread. This is our downfall. Amy's a little more hungry than I am tonight, but what we're having for dinner is we're having the Ipswich steamers to start with, and then I ordered, check this out, the Codfather basket. It's authentic beer batted, golden fried cod. And I picked that particularly because I want to compare that cod to what we had at, where do we have that cod at? What restaurant was that in Maine? We had the deep fried cod. One of those fabulous places in Maine, we had deep fried cod. And it was unbelievable. I want to see how this tastes. So I'm going to try that. And we're going to do surf and turf tonight. Amy's going to have, they've got a really cool New York strip steak romano. So, with some broccoli rabe on the side.
Right, guys.
Well, here comes the steamers. Let's have it. All right.
There's that for you. You have your drum motor as well. It's a little hot, so do be careful.
All right. We can do that.
Got some onions for you as well.
Thank you very much.
You guys need anything else for now?
No, we are good, and I appreciate you. Thank you. So, here's your steamers. Ipswich clams. We've got the drawn butter, and now they got the hot water. This is to wash them out.
Yeah.
This is a cool feature. Good restaurants serve this like Sprague's Lobster did. Once you pull the meat out, wash it in hot water, and it's all clean. This is an Ipswich clam. I'm not going to ask anything else, but this is the most unique style clam I've ever seen in my life. So these taste ridiculously good. So,
you're supposed to take that off.
yes, you peel it off.
I didn't know that, and I ate it the first time.
Wow.
Oh well.
And then you didn't clean it off.
Okay.
Now let's see, honey.
Those are
Good?
excellent.
Excellent. It's a nice big piece of clam. Now, I don't know what this is. Is that part of it?
Yeah, you got a big one.
This is a big one.
Usually big.
Yeah. So what I'm going to do,
Nice.
and I think you got to use your hands on this. You peel, it's a little messy. There we go. You peel this off. Now, that's it. Clean it up in the water.
Wow. Large.
And everything gets in here. This is ridiculous. So, here we go.
Good.
Oh, yes. Delicious. Oh, yeah. I miss not being here.
Awesome.
Oh, yeah. Very, very nice. Very nice. So, we're going to enjoy this. And when the main meal comes out, we're going to bring you along. So, guys, we just got served. I've got beautiful broccoli rabe, coleslaw. My buddy, look at this. Fried cod. And some coleslaw. Can't wait to dig in and do a good comparison. That was at the Sandbar, now I remember. The Sandbar restaurant in Vinyl Haven had fried cod chunks. These are like big strips. We've got, what kind of salad is this?
That's a roasted beet salad. It's so
Roasted
good.
beet
I've never done
salad.
that before.
And Amy is just going to town on the New York strip with some asparagus. So we're going to try this right now. Let me try a piece of this cod. Even though it is fried, doesn't seem like I can't seem to get it any other way. Let's see how it is.
How is it?
Oh, fresh as can be. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Would you like to taste something? I figured. Let me give you this. You want some?
A little bit.
A little bit of it? Yeah. It's delicious. See how you like it. We have never been disappointed here so far. Is that not fresh?
That's pretty excellent.
You can eat it?
Yeah.
Excuse me. There you go, guys. Well, we are going to chow down.
Is there a way to sit upstairs or
This has just been awesome. The food looks delicious, and I really like this cod. So I'm going to chow down and enjoy this meal, and we'll catch you guys in just a little short. Well, guys, we got a big surprise. My buddy Lucello, who's the general manager here, just came to visit us at the table like a good manager would like the food. Well, he says, I want to bring out some other special seafood. I want you to try it out and let me know what you guys think. So that's a little special tonight. So we're going to get some seafood on the house. We're going to test it out. I'm telling you guys, trust us on this one. Speaks Clam Bar is kick butt. You will be very impressed. We came here a second time. This is a date night for my honey and me, and we're having a great time. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. When the special comes out, we'll resume, and we'll give you guys first peek. Well, guys, surprise, surprise. This is pronounced, the dish is lobster.
Lobster and shrimp pappardelle.
Lobster and shrimp pappardelle. Check it out, guys. And this is a cold water lobster.
Yeah, it is
It's the best, they're the best.
It's the best of the best.
Absolutely.
So what we did, we put some mussels and some scallops over there too. So we just added
Oh
to the
my
flavors and
goodness.
this is one of the best dishes ever.
Oh yeah, and you are one of the best ever. I appreciate this. Thank you so much.
There's pasta in there too.
Oh my goodness. This pales in
I never
comparison.
expected this.
Enjoy. I brought an extra plate just in case.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it.
My pleasure, guys.
Everything is great. Well, honey, you gotta dig in. Oh yeah, dig in. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Oh yeah, I like it. So they're ready?
Homemade
Cold to me?
pasta.
Oh, that's awesome. Absolutely awesome. So we're going to take this. Thank you. Look at this, guys. Cold water lobster.
And no claws, like in Maine.
Oh
No
yes.
claws.
Just
I can't
beautiful.
believe you did that.
And there's shrimp, clams, we've got mussels sitting on a bed of homemade. These look like pappardelle. Outrageous. Homemade.
Right here at the restaurant.
So I'm gonna let you guys watch. This is a feast for king. Oh my
He
goodness.
said this is their best meal.
Yep. And look at this, no drawn butter, but it's in a pappardelle, so it's in a white wine sauce. I've never had lobster like this. Oh my goodness. This is awesome. Would you like to try the lobster?
Sure.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, thank you.
So give an honest review now.
We didn't even ask for this.
This is a big surprise. It just goes to show the quality and the integrity of this place. This really is a first for us. This is over the top, and to bring out his #1 dish shows first that he appreciated. We did a real honest review several months back. You guys really received that review well. I promise you, when we give you guys a thumbs up and a 5-star rating and say that this place is just drop dead delicious, you can go to the bank with that. Look at this.
Tender. Excellent. I'm gonna try the shrimp. They look so pink and juicy.
Oh yeah. Well, remember we ate at Frankie's Lobster Trap earlier this week? This is what I'm looking for. The soft shell and ice. Like you heard it from Luciano, the general manager. That's the cream of the crop. Is the cold water clawed lobsters. We got just the tail. If I would have ordered the whole lobster, I would have got the claws broken open. And you guys know what that looks like, the chunks of meat. So this is fabulous. My weakness is macaroni. And this is ridiculous. We wanted to go light tonight. Seafood is the way to go, total protein. But
this is excellent. I'll be back for this.
oh man,
Wow.
you know the problem is?
One more macaroni.
I'm gonna dive deep into this now. This macaroni is ridiculous, homemade, and I make homemade macaroni. I haven't had it in a while. And I wanted to, we decided, well tonight, let's not get homemade macaroni because, oh look at this guys. Oh my gosh.
So good.
And look guys, as an Italian, I need to do a class and show you, that's how you roll it up, and here's how you eat it.
You gotta stick a shrimp in your mouth. Let's do it.
Oh my goodness, I don't eat fast. Whenever I have rich dishes like this, first I savor them. Even a beautiful steak, I don't wolf it down. I like to take my time and enjoy every morsel. As much as I know it looks good on a picture, everybody likes that, the juice dripping or oozing. Listen, I want it in my mouth. It's succulent. There's no other good word I can describe it. And I don't even want it to go down my trap yet. I want to just let it sit there and kind of melt into my gums. So I can't help it. And like Jack said,
He's enjoying his food too much.
oh yeah. Look at the size of these shrimp. This is cooked. This is really an extra large. Now, I'm going to tell you what I do that a lot of people don't. I don't break the tail off. I've done this all my life. I eat the entire tail.
Eat it. Eat it. Those are so good.
Makes me want to sing a song right now. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is an unbelievable treat. Everything. Just look at this. If I had a spoon, I'd be twirling it. So this is the next best thing. And this is really how you eat Italian. Any long macaroni. See how nice?
There's a nice cream sauce on this. I like that.
This has been cooked in a white wine cream sauce. There's no alcohol here. So if you guys that don't like alcohol, there's absolutely no alcohol. Whenever you cook with wine, they have cooking sherries, cooking wines. All the alcohol completely evaporates. And it just, the essence of the wine, the flavor, just ooze into and gets saturated by the meat or the whatever the dish is. I am telling you.
Did you try a mussel?
No, I will.
Those are good.
Not a bit of this macaroni is going back. There's no to-go boxes.
Wow.
This is outrageous.
I should have
So
ordered.
guys, I hope you're enjoying this. Not nearly as much as we are, but this is Speaks Clam Bar, right here off of St. Armand's Circle. It's Sarasota, Florida. They have another one in Bradenton. So we wanted to come back here. We were hoping Luciano was here. And the man is here. Oh man, we are just
It's
super
amazing.
excited. This is excellent. Yes.
Turn it more.
Let me. This is the man. This is the man. He's the one we're going to blame for such an awesome dinner. But this has been awesome. We ate, you didn't know this, we ate yesterday at Frankie's Lobster Trap, a new one in Tampa, in the International Plaza. And it was a warm water lobster, and I said, okay, let's try it. I haven't had that in a long time. Lo and behold, I told the guy, I said, this pales in comparison to cold water. We just took a 10-day vacation to Maine.
Nice.
We had lobster twice a day for 10 days.
Wow.
And it doesn't get fresher than that. Outrageous. And this reminds me, so we're getting a lobster bath right now, but this has been awesome.
This is amazing.
All I can tell you is I love
so
it.
much.
We'll be back for this. Oh yeah, you got us hooked now.
It's always special dishes for you guys from now on.
Well, listen, you're going to get a lot of people to come because we put the good word out there. Whenever we give a thumbs up, I am really critical. And I'm Italian like you, and only the best. I make homemade macaroni, and not everybody knows how to make it. This is good. It's cooked beautiful, and I love cream sauces.
Those are delicious.
Yeah, this out of this one.
We call here the mother sauce. There is nothing better than that.
Yes, this is the mother sauce. Yes.
Wow.
From the home country, yes.
Phenomenal.
It has been awesome. So, guys, when we are done eating, we're going to talk a little bit with Luciano. And you guys, make sure when you're in Sarasota, this is one of the first stops you want to come to.
Very nice.
You're the man. Well, guys, I don't know what to tell you, but if I put another piece of this delicious homemade macaroni in me, there's going to be an explosion, and I'll be on all four of it. I hated to do this, but I'm going to have to take this home. There's still some lobster in it, some shrimp, and some mussels.
So filling.
Had I known he was going to do this, I would have never ordered my cod dish. So, mind you, we've had like 3 dinners tonight. It's been just a blessing. The couple right behind us couldn't help but get excited. They've already subscribed to the channel, and so this has just been making a lot of good friends. Great waiters, great help. It's been awesome. Well, guys, here you have it. We just left Speaks Clam Bar in Sarasota. It was a big surprise and over the top. And Luciano also said from now on, every time we come here, that's our dish. So I want to tell you, not even for that, it was just a wonderful experience. This gets 5 stars. I don't know any other restaurant around here that does what they do and serves great seafood, homemade macaroni, and we had a great steak. So it was an awesome evening. Thanks for watching it. And whenever you're in Sarasota, look up Speaks Clam Bar and look up Mr. Luciano. He is the general manager. We'll give you the cook's tour and treat you guys like kings and queens. Again, thanks so much for subscribing to Fishhook, and for you guys that are new, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you be part of our family. So until the next one, God bless.